Okay, y'all, let me put you onto a secret. I need you to come a little closer. A little closer. These are crochet. Yes, you heard it right. These are crochet passion twists, not individuals. I mean, can you tell? Because I can't tell. I'm just saying. I'm going to save you so much time. Believe me, trust me, you want to stay tuned for this tutorial on crochet passion twist. And make sure you subscribe to the tribe. So we are going to do these crochet braids, and I'm going to show you a way where it looks so natural in the front. So what you're going to do is just part your hair like so, like that. I'm going to make a part in the middle because I want it kind of versatile. I want to be able to put it to the side. I want to be able to put it in the middle. So let's just split this in half. Okay, I'm going to split this in half. And I'm going to split this into 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm using my Shine and Jam magic fingers. I'm just going to braid this like so. And if you can't braid, you can use rubber bands too. All right. You don't need to braid all the way. So I'm going to take my next section, put your Shine and Jam in there. Next, I'm going to braid the first braid into the second braid. And you're doing the same process. You just braid it in and start to braid down, and you don't have to go all the way down to the ends. And I'm going to connect the third braid the same exact way. Like so. I did 3 sections for the next 3 rows. I'm going to split this section right here into 2 sections. For this section here, I'm going to do 4 sections instead of 3. I am going to repeat the same thing for the last row. It will be 4 braids as well. Okay, so the first half is done. Check it out. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so I've completed the front. You'll see why I'm doing this pattern. It's going to make sense. Now with the back, it's going to be super simple. We're just going to do some straight backs. So I always like to do a braid going horizontally just to protect that fragile hair. Okay, so I have my little braid here. So I'm just going to take these 2 right here and just braid it, join it into the cornrow. You don't want to braid it too tight. You got to make sure the crochet needle fits underneath. I'm taking this braid that I did here, and I'm going to bring it along in this cornrow, like so. And then once you get down to a certain point, you're going to take this braid and attach your hair, but make sure it's not too tight. And I do that so you don't have to worry about sewing down braids at the end. It's already looped in. take this back section, put it under, put the end under the inside of the hook, put the clasp down, and slide it on through. So this is the braid down. You see I had the individual braids that were connected as I was going back. Let me give y'all a 360. So this is it. The hair in the back. The back looked like whatever. It's totally fine. And now we are going to start with the fun part. This is the hair, how it came out of the pack. Look, it's real cute. Let's see how the color, ooh, the color is matching. Yes. We are going to use this thingamajigger instead. We are going to slide this underneath the braid. Put this through like so. And then slide it on through. Okay. Then open it up like that. Pinch it. And then slide it on through. And pull. And there you have your twist. Very cute. So just keep on doing this process all the way around. I'll put it right where I did my braid. So, you see how it's coming together? We're going to keep going. Let's speed up the process so we can get this done. Yeah, I'm so happy I did it this way instead of doing individuals. Oh my gosh, because this one took forever. Normally I would start in the back, but I'm starting in the front because I want to make sure I have enough hair. Okay, so to do it in the back and you get to the front and you're running out of twists and you start sweating, you don't want those kind of problems. I've been there. That's why I'm here trying to save you from crying real tears over your hair. Okay, so far I've used 3 packs. So I have 3 more packs for the rest of my hair. You see why it's important to do the front? Just to gauge. Oh no, I did this way too tight, y'all. Ah, I can't even get it in there. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Tip, if you braided your hair too tight, like I told you not to do in the beginning, and then I went ahead and did it myself, just put a little bit right there. So it's less hair to slide through. And look at that baby slid through. Imagine if you had a crochet needle and not this thin thing. You would be in so much pain. So just throw the whole crochet needle away. Throw it away. Let's get to filling in these blank spots. So I would say at the bottom, do less twists. And you want to fill it in more at the top, okay? Because you want to make sure you have enough coverage and you won't be able to see the cornrows. Thank you all so much for watching my tutorial. Now that I let you in on the little secret, you need to go ahead and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Leave them down below, y'all. I love it when you show me some love. It really helps the community of the channel. We're all in this together. We're amongst friends here. See you next time. Bye.